Since Fortnite is no longer available in the Google Play Store, we will be using the Chrome browser to download it to your phone. Make sure you allow apps from unknown sources to be installed onto your phone. You can do this by selecting Settings. Scroll down and select Apps. Scroll down and tap the Chrome app. Tap Install Unknown Apps. Toggle on Allow from this source. Go to the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type in Fortnite. Scroll down to the first search result from epicgames.com and tap Download. Tap Download in the upper right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap Download from the Epic Games app. Tap Download in the pop-up. Tap Open, then tap Install. Tap Open. Once the Epic Games app is open, select Fortnite. Tap Install. Once the download is finished, select Launch and enjoy your game.